Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about how to calculate mean using direct method. In syllabus of class 10, there are basically three methods of calculating mean. First method is how to calculate using direct method, which I am going to explain it to you in details. Second method is how to calculate using assumed mean method, and third method is how to calculate using step deviation method. So these are the three basically techniques which will help you in calculating mean, but today our focus will be on direct method. So as you can see in front of my screen, there is formula for calculating mean using direct method. So as we all know that x bar is mean, and the formula for calculating mean using direct method is sigma fi xi upon n, where n basically stands for all fi's. Now in general we know that fi's are all frequencies and xi's are all variables. So here what is sigma fi? It is sum of all frequencies. Sum of all frequencies. And if I talk about sigma fi xi, what is fi xi? It is product of all frequencies and all variables. So let us study this formula in detail by solving one question, which is now there in front of your screen. Now as you can see that this question says find the mean of the following distribution. So these are x and these are f. That means all these are variables and all these are frequencies. So let's start with a solution. We'll start with a table. All xi's and all fi's we are going to write here. So xi's are 4, 6, 9, 10, 15, and all frequencies 5, 10, 10, 7 and 8. From the question only we have written all the values over here. Now when we talk about the formula of mean, what is that? Mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So fi xi, so what should I do in my third column? I will make column fi into xi. That means individually I am going to multiply all these values. So first value, how am I going to find out this value? I am going to multiply 4 and 5. So that comes out to be 20. Now next value, 6 into 10, 60, 9 into 10, 90, 10 into 7, 70, and 15 into 8 is 120. So my half table is complete. But according to formula, I have to find out the sum. So sigma fi xi is this column, sigma fi xi. That means what am I supposed to do? I have to add all these values. And in this case, when you add, your sum comes out to be 360. So we are done with this value. Now we have to find out sigma fi. Now what is sigma fi? This column, we are going to add all these values, and sigma fi in this case is coming out to be 40. Now just substitute the values. In place of sigma fi xi, we are going to write 360, which we have calculated over here, divided by sigma fi. So according to question, what is sigma fi? It is 40, and 360 divided by 40 is 9. So we have calculated mean using direct method. Thank you and keep watching.